Hello everyone, today we will be talking an important chapter in language of chemistry. Where in this video we'll be only discussing about elements and formulae. In the contents, we will be learning about physical and chemical changes, ions and radicals, crisscross method. Physical and chemical changes. The transformation of particles, which involves a change in structure or composition, and a new substance is formed, is called chemical change. The transformation that does not involve any change in the molecular composition and no new substance is formed is called a physical change. For example, chemical change. Rusting of iron, burning of paper, ripening of fruits. For example, for physical change, melting of ice, conversion of water into steam, or tearing a piece of paper. Ions. If an atom loses an electron or more, it becomes a cation, which is a positive ion. If an atom gains an electron or more, it becomes an anion, a negative ion. The charge of an ion depends on how many electrons are lost or gained. For example, aluminium, it loses 3 electrons, hence the charge is +3 because there are 3 extra protons. Sometimes a group of ions together lose ions. They are called radicals or polyatomic ions. Examples of radicals are NH4- or SO4-. The ions or radicals are classified as monovalent, divalent, and trivalent when the charges over it is 1, 2, or 3 respectively. If we look, so for example, NH4-, its charge is -1, so it would be an example of a monovalent. And if we look at SO4 -2, it would be an example of a divalent because it has the charge of 2, -2. The crisscross method. Let's take an example of two elements, hydrogen and sulfur. We write the symbols and their charge like this. So we'll write hydrogen, the symbol, and its charge, which is +1. And for sulfur, it is -2. Now then we switch the charges and this would be our outcome. So we'll take hydrogen and sulfur, +1, -2. This 2 would go for hydrogen and the +1 would go for sulfur. So we have 2, 1, and our formula would be H2S1 or just H2S. Now you can try this example, Ca2 plus with N3 minus, Ca2 plus with N3 minus. Now remember, pause the video and try it for yourself. Okay, now first step is to switch calcium and nitrogen. So there'd be a 3 here and a 2 over here. So our formula would be Ca3 and N2. We will continue this topic in our next video where we will be talking about chemical equations. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.